Hello friends, today's topic, what is a multi-bagger stock? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. The other day we had a question and answer session. Large number of questions were asked. Many of them were answered on the spot. Some of them were left behind and we are answering those questions today. When I am answering the questions of the rest of the people, many of your doubts will be clarified, plus your knowledge will be upgraded. Hence, please listen to the end. Observation and comments about the question about multi-bagger stock is: number one, multi-bagger stocks means stocks that multiply well over the years. For example, a stock may multiply by 4 times in 7 or 8 years. This is a good multiplication and can be called as a multi-bagger stocks. 2. Until the future date, we will not know which stock will give how much returns. 3. You can only study companies and know that they are fundamentally strong and they have good characteristics to do well in the future. Nobody can say that a particular stock will give 18% per annum for next 4 years, etc. If anybody makes such a statement, it means that they are just guessing. There is no certainty until we see the future performance. 4. This is just like when a real estate property is bought, we will not know how well it will multiply in the future. 5. As an investor, we can do good fundamental analysis and then monitor the stocks so that it gives us good returns in the long term. We cannot guarantee good returns at the time when we invest in the stock. 6. Avoid believing people who say that a particular stock will become a multi-bagger stock surely. The next question in this episode is, in 1996 May month, Tata Steel trading price was 160 rupees. Now, after 30 years, 2025, trading price is rupees 149. What does it indicate? Observation and comments. It looks like the effect of bonus and stock split has not been taken into consideration. Hence, it is looking that stocks have same price even after 30 years. As per the historical stock price graph, the adjusted price of Tata Steel was around rupees 10 to 12 in May 1996 and around 150 currently in May 2025. Number 2. This is a common mistake if you don't see the graph and only use your memory to compare the stock prices. 3. There has been a bonus of 1:2 in 2004 and stock split of 10:1 in 2022. Hence, the prices displayed on various stock market websites always adjust for the bonus and stock split. The actual price as on that date in the past may or may not be as per what is shown in the graph. 4. That is why we emphasize on knowledge and research so that investors don't get the wrong impression or wrong insights from markets. The next question is, what is realized gain and unrealized gain in stocks and mutual funds? Observations and comments. Number 1. In investing apps, usually two terms are used, realized gain and unrealized gain. 2. As the name suggests, realized gain is the profit or gain booked by you by selling a stock or mutual fund. You will need to pay long-term or short-term capital gains on this. 3. Unrealized gain is a gain in your portfolio which you have not yet booked by selling. 4. For example, you may have invested rupees 5 lakhs in stocks and mutual funds. Today's value may be 9.5 lakhs. You may decide to sell and book profit of 1 lakh. This is called realized gain. However, apart from the realized gain, unrealized gain is 9.5 minus 5 minus 1 is equal to 3.5 lakhs. 5. Capital gains tax is applicable whenever you sell stocks, mutual funds, realized gain or profit. 6. Capital gains tax is not applicable on the unrealized gain irrespective how large the gain is. The next question in this episode is, Namaste sir, I am 2017 batch, 52 years now, building corpus for retirement. 30 lakhs invested has grown to 48 lakhs now. Thanks for your regular guidance via videos. Started investing in one more demat account in spouse name to balance the investment. Idea is to reduce tax during SWP after retirement. Is it a good plan? Will it impact compounding? Please suggest. Observation and comments. Number 1. There are large number of people who have created wealth in the long term after attending our workshop. Discipline and patience and good monitoring will help create more wealth. 2. Income tax is charged based on income from profession and business, etc., which is based on income tax slab. As of now, capital gains tax is fixed percentage for every person irrespective of their tax slab. 3. So by investing in spouse's name whose income may be lower than yours will not matter to reduce or avoid capital gains tax when selling stocks and mutual funds for SWP. The last question in this episode is, sir, if a stock is not performing for 3 quarters, we may avoid further investment in that stock. But what about money which is already invested? Observation and comments. Number 1. If you feel that the company business performance is not good for many quarters, such as 3 to 4 quarters, you may decide to avoid further investments. 2. You will broadly have 2 choices on what you can do with the existing investment. A. Hold the stock but discontinue regular or fresh investment in the stock. B. Sell the stocks and reallocate the money in other stocks in our portfolio which are performing well. Number 3. There is no particular rule to decide what has to be done with a non-performing stock. It all depends on each stock, your risk appetite, and also your expectations from the company in the future. 4. Such decisions are difficult and understanding of the stock market will help you take the best decision for your portfolio. It is a personal decision. End of the video. Here is the question. Has your stocks or mutual funds portfolio reached its highest ever level? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.